Today's the 21st of January, and I haven't slept along this time. But I was just I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, I stopped sneezing. Oh, are you okay? It looks like you haven't sneezed or anything, right? Miss Calloway? Yes, I'm okay, Maggie. I'm just really sneezy, that's all. But I have a stuffed up nose right now. Oh my gosh, what happened to me? I think I'm sneezy, and I'm gonna get sneezy pretty soon. It looks like you haven't sneezed or anything, Miss Calloway. But I think it is really good for you just to having a chicken or something, or turkey strips.